In today's video, we are going to do a battery drain test between the iPhone 14 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, Xiaomi 12s Ultra, Motorolaedge 30, iPhone 13 Pro Max and the OnePlus 10 Pro. The iPhone 14 Pro Max comes with a battery capacity of 4323 mAh. The Samsung Galaxy has a battery strength of 5000 mAh. Xiaomi 12s Ultra comes with 4860 mAh of battery. The Motorolaedge 30 has a battery capacity of 4610. The 13 Pro Max has a battery strength of 4352 mAh, whereas the OnePlus 10 Pro has a battery capacity of 5000 mAh. Among these phones, the iPhone 14 Pro Max has the smallest battery. So this is going to be a very interesting comparison. So do watch the full video and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Now without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the test.